Hey everyone, it's Alex. If your space feels cramped and you need a desk, dining table, or hobby area but have nowhere to put it, I've got the solution. Imagine a sturdy table that appears when you need it and vanishes when you don't. That's the magic of a DIY folding table. Today, I'll show you how to reclaim your space with practical, satisfying projects. No pro carpentry skills required. We'll cover a few designs, the tools and materials you'll need, and step-by-step instructions. Plus, I'll share pro tips and common mistakes to avoid. Ready to make your space work for you? Let's get building. Before we start building, let's talk about why folding tables are a game changer. They maximize space. Unfold when you need them, fold away when you don't. Instantly reclaim your floor for yoga, play, or just breathing room. One table can serve as a desk, craft station, or breakfast bar. No need for separate furniture. DIY means you control the cost and customize the size, finish, and features. Got an awkward wall? Build a table that fits perfectly. Want a pop of color or hidden storage? You can do that. Even a narrow hallway can become useful with a slim, fold-down surface. Folding tables let you see potential where others see wasted space. Building one is an investment in smarter living and total control over your environment. You're not just making furniture, you're engineering a solution. The satisfaction of using something you built yourself? Unbeatable. It's practical, empowering, and fun. Let's get to the tools. You don't need a fancy workshop, just the basics. For measuring, tape measure, pencil, and a square for straight lines. For cutting, a circular saw is ideal, but a handsaw or jigsaw works too. For assembly, a cordless drill with drill and driver bits is your best friend. Always drill pilot holes to prevent splitting wood. Plywood is strong and affordable for tabletops. Pine boards work if you want a stained finish. Heavy-duty folding brackets are essential. Don't skimp here. Use the right screws. Short for hinges, long for mounting to studs. A stud finder ensures you anchor into solid wood, not just drywall. Sandpaper, medium and fine grits, smooths edges and surfaces. Finish with paint, stain, and a protective top coat like polyurethane. Your local hardware store can cut plywood to size. Save yourself the hassle. With these tools and materials, you're set for any folding table project. Let's build your first one. Onto the classic fold-down wall table. Let's build the classic fold-down wall-mounted table, perfect for a desk, coffee bar, or laundry station. Start by deciding your tabletop size. 24 by 36 inches is a great starting point. Mark the area on your wall with painter's tape to visualize placement. Use a stud finder to locate wall studs and mark them clearly. Cut a piece of 3 to 4 inch plywood to your chosen size. Sand the edges smooth. Mount 2 heavy-duty folding brackets directly into the studs, using a level to keep them even. Place the tabletop on the brackets, center it, and attach with short screws from underneath. Test the mechanism, fold up and down, check for stability. If it wobbles, tighten all screws. Finish with paint or stain, then a protective top coat. For a seamless look, match the table color to your wall. For an accent, choose a bold stain or paint. 2 coats of finish and a couple of polyurethane layers will protect your table. That's it. A table that appears out of thin air. Simple, sturdy, and a total space saver. You've just transformed an empty wall into a functional surface. Ready for something even more adaptable? Let's build a drop leaf table next. More function, more flexibility. Here's how. The drop leaf table is the king of adaptability, perfect for rooms that need to change function fast. It's a narrow center table with hinged leaves that fold down when not in use. Build a simple frame with 2x4 legs and 1x4 aprons for the center section. Cut 3 pieces of 3x4 inch plywood, 1 narrow center, 2 wider leaves. Sand all edges. Attach the leaves to the center with butt or piano hinges, leaving a credit card gap for smooth folding. Add swing-out wooden supports under each leaf. Hinged arms that tuck away when not needed. Secure the center tabletop to the frame with screws from underneath. Test, lift a leaf, swing out the support, and check for strength. With both leaves down, it's a slim console. One up, it's a desk. Both up, a full dining table. Sand and finish before or after assembly. Paint or stain, then polyurethane for durability. This project takes a bit more time, but the payoff is huge. You get a table that adapts to your needs in seconds. Perfect for small apartments or multi-use rooms. Next, let's add some secret storage to your workspace. The folding desk with hidden storage is up next. Organization meets space saving. Let's build it. Here's how. For the ultimate organized workspace, build a folding desk with hidden storage. It looks like a shallow wall cabinet but folds down into a sturdy desk with shelves and cubbies inside. Build a shallow box, about 5-6 inches deep, from 1x6 boards or 3-4-inch plywood, around 30 by 40 inches. Attach a thin plywood back for rigidity. Cut a desk panel the same size as the cabinet front. This will be the door and desktop. Attach it to the bottom edge with a piano hinge for even weight distribution. Use chains or steel cables anchored inside the cabinet and to the desk panel for support at a 90-degree angle. Add shelves and dividers inside for pens, notebooks, or a power strip, customized to your needs. Mount the cabinet to wall studs with long heavy-duty screws. Never use drywall anchors alone. Test the desk, open, close, check chain tension and level. Add a magnetic catch or latch to keep it closed. Finish with paint or stain. Try a contrasting color inside for a fun surprise. Add a corkboard or whiteboard to the inside of the desk panel for notes. When closed, it's a sleek panel. When open, a fully equipped workspace. Smart, stylish, and super functional. Now what if you need a table you can move anywhere? Let's build a portable folding table with legs. Need a table you can move or store easily? Build a freestanding folding table with legs. Start with a 3-4-inch plywood tabletop, reinforced underneath with a 1-inch 3 or 1-4 apron for strength. Attach the apron about an inch in from the edge using glue and screws. Buy pre-made folding table legs. They're sturdy, easy to install, and lock in place. Or, build your own H-shaped leg assemblies from 2x2s, attached with heavy-duty hinges and locked with a barrel bolt or hook and eye latch. Mount legs in the corners for maximum stability. Test. Set up the table, press on the center and corners, check for wobble. If needed, add a cross brace for extra strength. When done, fold the legs flat against the tabletop for slim storage. Slide it under a bed, behind a sofa, or stand it in a closet. Finish with several coats of oil-based polyurethane for a tough, waterproof surface. This table is perfect for parties, crafts, or outdoor use. It's sturdy, portable, and takes up almost no space when stored. The ultimate utility player for any home. Now let's make sure your designs are safe and look amazing. Let's talk pro tips for design and safety. Round the corners of your table for comfort and a polished look. Use a jigsaw or sander. Paint to blend in or stain for a statement. Neutral colors fit any decor. Always anchor wall-mounted tables to studs, not just drywall. If studs don't line up, mount a horizontal cleat first, then attach brackets. Make sure all folding mechanisms lock securely. Test before use. Add a latch or magnetic catch to keep folding desks closed, especially if you have kids or pets. Be realistic about weight limits. Don't overload your table. For freestanding tables, a strong apron and sturdy legs are key. Sand every surface smooth and finish with a durable topcoat. Turn the underside of a wall table into art or a chalkboard for extra function. Make sure your table is easy and pleasant to use every day. These small details turn a DIY project into a crafted piece of furniture. Now, let's wrap up and get you building. You've seen 4 ways to solve small space challenges with folding tables. From wall-mounted to hidden storage, these projects empower you to transform your home. That empty wall is an opportunity. Engineer a better way to live. With a few tools and a weekend, you can build something amazing. Inspired? Like, subscribe, and share with anyone who needs a space-saving solution. Which design will you build first? Comment below. Now go. Build smart, build beautiful, and make every inch count.